Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the obvious audio paths so you can isolate the problem fast. Check both media and call volume sliders. Then open WhatsApp and play the voice note while headphones are connected to verify whether the speaker or the file is at fault. Once done, force close WhatsApp and reboot your phone to clear temporary audio routing or permission locks. This short triage narrows causes, so the next steps focus only on app settings or file-level solutions. Next, you adjust the app and system so playback can reach full volume. Make sure WhatsApp has microphone and media permissions. Without them, playback can be limited. Turn off Bluetooth to prevent accidental routing to another device, and in sound settings reset default audio output to the phone speaker. If problems persist, clear WhatsApp cache or update the app to ensure you're not running a buggy build. These actions fix permission, routing, and software layer volume caps. Finally, you address the file itself and run last resort checks. If the note still sounds low, request the sender re-record or send the audio file. Compressed Opus notes can be quieter and converting to WAV or MP3 and normalizing fixes amplitude. You can temporarily use a reputable volume booster or export to a PC audio editor to amplify safely. If nothing changes, test another WhatsApp account on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.